Start. The 2024 Lok Sabha elections verdict carries multiple messages. On the face of it, the BJP seats have decreased, which has made a coalition government at the center essential once more. In a parliamentary democracy, numbers are understandably the primary yardstick used to judge the success of political parties. Political thinkers and commentators, both inside and outside the country, who constantly criticize the RSS, BJP, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on ideological grounds, are announcing the decline of PM Modi and the BJP. They seem to believe and hope joyfully that the result marks the return of the old style of politics. Elections hinge on many factors, social, regional, local, and above all, the personalities of candidates. Therefore, the BJP never undermined the importance of coalition politics. Even with a comfortable majority, it nurtured the National Democratic Alliance within bracket NDA. The 2024 mandate is for Modi to govern the country for a third consecutive term. He remains the undisputed and most acceptable leader both in his party and the NDA. The voters have asked for political and ideological continuity, while the BJP's vote share has remained unchanged since 2019 at 37.37%. It could not reach the magic number of 272 seats. But this election tells another political tale. The BJP made a leap forward in states where it had been a symbolic force. In three states, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana, its vote share has increased substantially since the 2014 elections. In Kerala, it jumped to 16.8% and the party opened its account in the Lok Sabha. Similarly, its vote share increased in Tamil Nadu from 3.66% to 10.7%. In Telangana, its share went up from 19.45% in 2019 to 35%. This growth is a result of a sustained effort to expand the party's base. The BJP government in Delhi is no longer dependent on North India alone. In the east, the party uprooted the Biju Janata Dal (BJD) in Odisha and formed the government, increasing its vote share by 19% in the process. In West Bengal, the party's share has increased from 17% in 2014 to 38.73% in 2024. The party leadership has used ideology and political and cultural issues to cultivate support. This kind of success for an ideological party should be more cause for concern and Nehruvians than the ephemeral joys of a reduction in the BJP seats. The 2024 election could be just a pause for the BJP, not a setback. Modi is a politician who thinks long term. Therefore, The evaluation of his actions should not be solely on the number in successive elections. Neither Nehru nor Modi can be considered